guys, what's up and welcome back. Today's video I am going to be getting my life together and I wanted to bring you guys along for the ride. Today is Monday, the day after Father's Day. So it's Monday afternoon, 12:30, and yeah. I woke up to a very messy house today, and I'm gonna, like I said, put my life back together, and I just wanted to kind of bring you along. So I essentially need to clean the entire kitchen, and I need to clean actually our back deck. We actually just bought a new patio set, so we actually had Father's Day out on the back deck. So the back deck is trashed, my kitchen is trashed, and I need to do some meal prep actually after I cook. Or after I clean, rather. So like I said, today's Monday after Father's Day. I'm gonna try to get this video actually up tomorrow on Tuesday. I can't guarantee it, but hopefully I will. But yeah, let me show you what I'm working with, and then I'm just gonna like clean whenever I have the time, like throughout the day, like playing with Ev, taking care of her, that sort of thing. So I don't really have like a time limit on this. Chris is actually out tonight. He's not coming home after work. He has some things to do. So he won't be home until like 7:30. So I actually have like 7 hours to get all my stuff done. So let me show you what I have to do. So this is my whole kitchen. I honestly like wanted to cry when I woke up this morning. And this is what my back deck table is looking like. Honestly, like I want to go outside and show you, but the landscapers are next door, so you wouldn't be able to hear me. But I have to clean up this entire table. So yeah, guys, so that's the plan for today. I was really bad yesterday, and like we partied and it was so much fun. I had the whole family here, but I essentially just was like, F this, and I went to bed after, and I didn't clean up at all. So let's get cleaning. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will pop back in when we are ready to meal prep.
Made a map with all the stars, so you know you're not too far away from me. You're in light when it's my dark. I know this distance makes it hard for us to see. I've been waiting so long, I've been waiting so long, just to see you. I've been sleeping alone, I don't wanna let go. I can't forget you.
Up in the stars. Now I know I'm not too far away from you. I want you back inside my arms. This distance got me feeling so alone. It's true.
I've been waiting so long, I've been waiting so long, just to see you. I've been sleeping alone, I don't wanna let go. I can't forget you. I'll be waiting, I'll be waiting. stuck in my head, you know I can't forget it. I try to move on, but you're the one that I dream about. I sit alone in my room, drawing up pictures of blue skies. We've been apart for so long, I'm always replaying all the pictures and memories stacked up in my head. I wish I could let you go, I wish I could just forget you. I can never shake you off, you're stickier than my super glue. I can never shake you off, I'm always trying to get rid of you. I'm never shaking you off. My friends are saying move on, I know I don't belong in this fantasy world I put you and me in. I cover up both my ears, cause I know baby it's working, it's working. Never shake you off, you're stickier than my super glue. I can never shake you off, I'm always trying to get rid of you. I'm never shaking you off, I'm never shaking you off, I'm never shaking, I'm never shaking, I'm never shaking. I don't wanna shake you off. I don't wanna shake you off. I don't wanna shake you off. They tell you be the background noise. They tell you you don't have a voice. Keep your hopes high and your head down. Take your dreams from the sky and put them in the ground. You don't have to be in pain. You're stronger than you know. You can swim up through the rain and rise up through the undertow.
Oh my goodness, guys, like it just, mom life. So
Can I hold it for a minute?
yes, hold on. We're getting ready to make banana bread and I just finished cleaning this kitchen. And look, got cocktail sauce all over the floor.
Can I hold it for a minute?
Oh, Evelyn, what are we gonna do?
Clean up, Freddy!
Let's get cleaning. All right, guys, fast forward. It is 4:30 or 4:44 actually. The cocktail sauce is cleaned up. Oh my God. And the kitchen is as good as it's getting. I still have a ton of dishes to do, but I'm just done, and the day kind of got away from me, and I need to start meal prep and I need to start cooking. So that is what we're gonna do. I made myself some coffee and we are gonna make banana bread. Ev is helping me. Let me show you what we're doing and the recipe. So this is the recipe that I'm following, Detoxinista. I'll have it linked down below, but it is a gluten-free recipe. It's using coconut flour, and I really like to use coconut flour anyway because it has more fiber. So what we have in here is 4 bananas, I think 3/4 of a cup of coconut flour. Evelyn, what are you doing?
I'm pushing this chair.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
So we have 4 bananas, 3/4 cup coconut flour, cinnamon, sugar, baking soda, and then we have 5 eggs. We are gonna smash this all together and throw it in the oven. My oven's at 350, but I will let you know how it comes out. Woohoo! Okay, so banana bread is in the oven. Is my camera focusing? Yeah. There's 41 minutes left, and that is actually it. I was gonna do more meal prep, but I went through my fridge and my mother-in-law left, like, such a sweet woman. She left me all the food from Father's Day. So we actually have a ton of leftovers. So I'm just gonna eat that throughout the week for our lunch. So the only thing I'm gonna do is I have some chicken sausage that I need to cut up. So I'll just show you guys like me doing that. Like, that's not exciting at all, but what the hell. And then I'll show you the banana bread when it comes out of the oven. But essentially that is it. I made Ev a peanut butter and jelly for dinner. It is just a really chill out night. Like I said, Chris isn't gonna be home.
Yeah.
You need to go eat your sandwich. Go eat. It's a really chill night. Chris will probably get home like 7:30, so we are just, like, I'm probably gonna eat banana bread for dinner tonight. So, yeah, that's what today's video is. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it motivated you or inspired you in some way, shape, or form. So I'm gonna cook those chicken sausages.
I love you.
Go eat. So I'll show you guys, you can show me doing that, and I'll show you guys the banana bread, but that wraps it up. I love you guys forever.
And I love you too.
Say, please consider subscribing.
Subscribing.
Yeah, please consider subscribing if you're new. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family. I hope you guys are.
And you like to come to my party.
Evelyn's birthday party is in like 2 months, and she can't stop talking about it. Oh, okay. I love you guys forever.
I love you too.
Have a good day. Have a good week.